Mwiriwe, good afternoon. Welcome back to my Kinyarwanda channel. I'm Denise, your Kinyarwanda teacher. Today we are going to talk about useful expressions for level 1. When you just start to learn Kinyarwanda, there are so many useful expressions, but today we are going to talk about few of them. Let's start.
Thank you very much.
Murakoze cyane. Murakoze means you can say murakoze cyane, which is thank you very much, or you can simply say murakoze, thank you.
Yes.
Yego.
No.
Oya.
Excuse me.
When you want to be very polite, you say yemwe. When you want to talk to someone, yemwe. But if you want to call someone who is not paying attention, you can say umva. Umva. We use also on the phone when someone is not really paying attention, like you are talking, but you only want to really get attention, you say umva. Instead of waving to someone who is far, umva. But remember, this is very casual.
I am sorry.
There's different ways to say I am sorry. So when you apologize, you say mbabarira. But if you are telling someone, I am sorry for you, I'm sorry for what you're going through, I'm sorry for your problems, I'm sorry for what happened to you, you say mwihangane.
I am tired.
Ndananiwe.
I am sick.
Hey. Ndarwaye.
Can you help me?
Mwamfasha.
It's okay or no problem.
Nta kibazo.
You are welcome.
Welcoming someone in your place. Murakaza neza. Or you can say just karibu. Karibu is very simple and casual. Karibu.
Do you speak English?
If maybe someone is not understanding your Kinyarwanda and you want really to speak in English, because maybe your Kinyarwanda is still little, you can say uvuga icyongereza. Uvuga icyongereza, or igifaransa, French, or Swahili, Swahili. Yeah.
I speak a little.
Mvuga gike. Sometimes you need that sentence. If people talk to you in Kinyarwanda and they think you speak more than what you speak, and then you can say mvuga gike, I speak a little, because you are just starting to learn Kinyarwanda. But you can also speak a lot. But when you speak a little, you say mvuga gike.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
I don't understand.
Simbyumva.
Let's go.
Tugende.